Okay, hello guys. Alright, today I will conduct an experiment about precipitating casein from milk. Okay, first we have a low fat milk and we have full cream milk, and we will use white vinegar. Okay, why we will use white vinegar? Because milk contains a protein called casein, which is negatively charged. Vinegar contains hydrogen ions, which are positively charged. The hydrogen ions and casein protein attract each other and form the white plastic white lumps. The lumps are called curds, and the process of forming and the lumps is called curdling. Okay, that's why we use white vinegar. Okay, let's continue. I have 150 ml of low fat. Okay, let's add it to this first. Okay, low fat on the right and the full cream on the left. Perfect. Okay, now we start the fire to heat up the mix for easy to precipitate to done. Okay, now we are heating up the milk. Okay, remember, low fat, full cream. Alright. Okay, the question is, why we are heating this milk? Okay, the precipitate often contains ions that were trapped when the precipitate was formed. Alright, so this milk is often heated to increase the kinetic rates of dissolution and precipitation. Since the solid is in dynamic equilibrium with the solution, in time, all material will cycle from solid to solution and back. That's why we are heat the milk. Okay, for easy the ion to attract each other. Okay, let's wait. Okay, remember to stir up while we are heating to make sure the fat doesn't have a precipitate at first. Alright, we need to stir up. Okay, so don't worry, it's normal. Okay, now we are good. Okay, let's try low fat first. Okay, we need to be careful because this is so dangerous, right? Okay, let's instead the vinegar. Yes, we can see the little precipitate, but this camera can't catch up with this precipitate because it's very tiny. As you can see, the milk is turning into the yellow a bit. Okay, so low fat is done. You can see a little tiny precipitate. Okay, now we are trying with full cream. Okay, let's see what happened with 20 cm of vinegar. Okay, let's see what happened. Wow, the precipitate is a bit large from the low fat. As you can see, there's a little precipitate. Okay, sorry, I have to see because my camera is a bit disappointment. Okay, but we can look. It's different. Okay, why this is happen? Because as I say before, because the hydrogen ion attract to the casein charge. Okay, that's why we see the precipitate on the first place. Okay, so this is successful. Low fat have a tiny precipitate and full cream have a bit large precipitate. Okay, that's all for my experiment. Alright. Okay, for more importantly, don't forget to stir because it make the charge to attract a bit fast. Okay, don't forget to stir. This is really important. Okay, now we have two filter. Green is for low, there's a L there, and full cream for the yellow F there. Okay. Okay, let's look for low fat first. Alright. Wow, this is a lot of precipitate for low fat. Yes. This is a lot for low fat. Okay, let's continue for the full cream. Okay, let's continue for the full cream. Full cream have more precipitate than the low fat. Low fat we can see. Okay, the calculation is why the full cream have a many precipitate than the low fat because it has many casein charge from the low fat. That's why. Okay, as you can see, there's a lot of precipitate. Okay, you can see the different. It is more solid than this one. Okay, thank you for watching.